Hello, Facebook Live. Hi, everybody out there. Hope everybody is doing well today. And I usually give everybody a few seconds or so to get on. There's a little lag time between signing on and this popping up on your phone and finding me. It is 4 o'clock and it is time for a cocktail with Jamie. So wine time, happy hour with Jamie today. 4 o'clock every day. I've been doing a happy hour. Sometimes it's a little bit, a few minutes after 4. Sometimes, depending upon our situation here at the restaurant, it happens a little bit later. But thank you, everybody, for tuning in. I appreciate it. If you are on, if you could just give me a thumbs up, say hi, let me know that you're here. Hi, Mike. How are you? Thank you for being here today with me. I am super excited to be here. So the more people that actually give me a comment or something, a thumbs up, the more people that this will get through to. So how are you? Great, good to see you. Thank you everybody for logging in today. It is happy hour time with Jamie. I am totally missing the social part of my business. Obviously, Aroma Time, we're super social. We get people in the restaurant all the time, dining with us, and we're now restricted to dine-in only. And so I'm totally missing that bar crowd, the people around me. So this just kind of gives me an opportunity to kind of be in front of you and just give you a cocktail of the day, and you can make it at home. You can check out our previous cocktails. I've done margaritas, I've done Manhattans. Yesterday I did our famous sangria, so you can go back and re-watch those and make something at home. You know, if you are done with work for the day, if you are just hanging out, grab a cocktail, grab a glass of wine, join me, because I love doing these. These are really fun. Hi, Pam. Hi, Aileen. Thank you, everybody, for reaching out. Share this with your friends and let them know that I'm doing this, because this is kind of fun for me. You know, I started a Zoom call with friends, you know, just to kind of be social on Wednesday nights. And we just got together last night. We just talked. We shared what was going on, keeping it super positive. You know, there's something positive in all of this, in all of this situation. So we just have to think about the positive in everything. And everything's going to work out. Have faith that everything's going to work out really well. I just got done with an interview with W4 Divas. Marcus and I actually do a podcast for them. And I just got done doing an interview with her, so that was pretty cool. She asked me a lot of questions about what I'm doing to keep positive, and I'm just continuing what I can to be normal. You know, this is our new norm now. So thank you everybody for logging in. I appreciate it. Thank you for joining me. If you're watching this live, hashtag live. If there's a specific drink you want to see me make, throw that out there, put that down there. I'll get to it during the week. I got many days. I've been doing this every day now for over a week, I think. And there's lots of drinks, and I'd love to share some of them with you. Our way of making the drinks. Here at Aroma Time, we support independent, local spirits. So all of our drinks that I make are with local spirits. So thank you for joining me. I appreciate it. It's awesome to see all of the people on. And today I am going to be making something called bee's knees. And let's see, so bees, what do bees make? Bees make honey, so it definitely has some local honey from Catskill Mountain Sugar House. I've actually been there. I've watched their maple syrup production. So that's pretty cool. I'll be using their honey, so it's called bee's knees. It has gin, lemonade, and honey in it, so you make your own lemonade, and then you add gin and a little honey to sweeten it up with. And so I'll get to that in a few minutes. Hi, Lisa. Hi, Sal. Sal, I'll do a martini soon, I promise. And I did a mojito the other day. And people have been ordering drinks from me to go, which is pretty cool. So I'm doing quarts of drinks to go. They take a drink or two one night and have a drink or two the next night. So that's pretty cool. So I know this is becoming our new norm, and what is reality, and where are we working, and how are we working, and how are we getting around, and we can't go out to eat, and we can't socialize. So this is my way of giving back and giving you a way to join me once a day and grab a drink, learn how to make a cocktail, and let's see. Hi, Brandy. How are you? So tonight we'll be here at the restaurant. Every night we're doing something different. So we have this. I'll post this online. It's our 99 daily special deals. Or on Wednesdays, we're doing buy one, get one free pizzas. So tonight is our burger night. It's $9.99 for a burger. Tonight, call and order that. You can pick from our burgers. They are $9.99. You can take out a bottle of wine. Tonight, we'll be offering this awesome Primitivo Rosé from Manduria, Southern Italy, for $14.99. And then we have a French Chardonnay and a Spanish Tempranillo that we also have for $9.99. So, all right, let's get ready for my drink. So I am going to take 2 ounces of gin. So I am using Koval gin, which is organic, and they are from Chicago. Really awesome people. They donate every year to our Run Like the Wind. This is a dry gin. It's handmade in Chicago, distilled from organic spirits, so organic grains, sorry. And it's really cool. They make some awesome products. They make a bourbon, a 4-grain. They make some other really cool things too. If you're watching this live, give me a hashtag live, give me a thumbs up, give me a drink you want to see me make. So I put the gin in the glass. I'm going to add the honey. I've already measured it out. It's a little hard to use my big container all the time, so I measured that out. So I like to mix my agave or honey into the gin or the spirit that I'm using. It melts a little bit easier, so I usually put that in ahead of time. Then I'm going to add my lemon juice. 2, 3, 4, 5. I give about 5 squirts. I'm going to give a little bit more. Mix that up. And then I'm going to add a little bit of water, because the way you make lemonade, because we make fresh lemonade here when somebody orders lemonade, is water, lemon juice, and agave. You could put honey, you could put maple syrup. That's the way we make our lemonade. It's a homemade lemonade every time. So I mix that in. And then I'm going to add some ice. Add some ice in there. Let's mix it up. And you have a bee's knees. So it is lemon juice, gin, so your choice of gin. I've just used this Koval from Chicago, and honey. And let's see how it tastes.
How would you like that prepared?
It is really good. I'm just going to add a dot more. It's got some lavender in there, because this Koval organic grains, it tastes a little bit lavendery to me. So, hi Cheryl, how are you today? Hi Pat. I know that's not your real name, but I forget. I think it's Patty. I think your name is Patty. Hi Cheryl. So bee's knees today. So something not super sweet, a little bit of honey, lemon juice, and gin. You make it as sweet as you'd like it to be, and then you get to just enjoy it. I am going to probably enjoy this awesome bottle of Primitivo Rosé later. This is awesome. You can get this to go tonight, $14.99. And let's see, what else can I talk about today? So, somebody mentioned to me about gloves, and it's great to use gloves out there when you're shopping, when you're walking around, when you're getting gas, all that kind of stuff. But make sure you're using the gloves properly. You can't just wear the gloves and just do everything with them. You can't wear them, touch your face, touch the counter, go back and touch your face. It doesn't work that way. Gloves are really to be used for a little while, maybe a couple of minutes. Take them off, throw them away, and put something else on. So, make sure that you're using your gloves correctly. I know Marcus will probably be doing a video on that tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. He does Facebook Lives. Just be aware, even though you have gloves on, the gloves themselves can still carry germs, if I'm correct, right, Marcus? Gloves can still carry germs. So if you're touching your face, you're touching all different things all around, you can still carry germs. So just make sure you're wiping things down really good. And I know he'll do a video tomorrow and share a little bit about gloves. Somebody asked me about that. Here at Aroma Time, we're constantly using Thieves, which is a Young Living essential oil spray We use that all over. We are using a little bit of rubbing alcohol as well. I'm spraying down my pens. I'm spraying down the door handles. I'm constantly spraying things and making sure that we are being as safe as possible. Tonight, we are going to curbside pickup. We have been doing come into the restaurant and you can pick up. You can still come in if you feel comfortable, pay, and then go outside and wait for your food. Last night was unbelievable. We sold 110 pizzas, I think. We were slammed. So tonight is our burger night, $9.99 burgers. And what is tomorrow? Tomorrow is our Thai peanut chicken. So it's served with our rice, also $9.99. Saturday, smoked barbecue chicken. And then Sunday, we're doing vegetarian chili and brown rice. And then also a shrimp and mussel green Thai curry. People have been raving about that. Order early. I definitely recommend ordering early. Monday is a beef and broccoli teriyaki. Tuesday is Jamaican jerk chicken. Marcus will drop the specials on Aroma Times website and also on our Facebook page. And hopefully I can get him to drop it in here as well if I can get him to do that quick enough. Ask us about our deals on wines, cocktails, and beer. I'm going to put these in all of the to-go bags tonight. Thank you everybody for watching. Wow, we have 30 people. Wow, we got a lot of people on today. Do you only make one meal? So Wednesday nights we're typically closed. So we are only doing pizzas on Wednesday nights and some salads. But every other night our regular menu is available as long as we have it. Getting items right now can be a little difficult from some of our distributors, so sometimes we just have to be out of something right now. But for the most part, our regular menu is available. We have vegetarian chili every night. We have soups to go, our sweet potato soup, Manhattan clam chowder, black bean soup. We have our chickpea burger tonight, so if you are vegetarian and you want a burger, we can do our chickpea burger as one of our burger specials. And let's see what else. I'm looking forward tonight. I am going to have a Zoom call with my staff, so I'm super excited about that. We've been able to bring in more and more staff, which has been really awesome. Tomorrow we'll be serving 100 to 150 meals to our community. Project Resilience for Ulster County is coming to pick up meals to deliver to people who need meals at their house and need deliveries to them. So tomorrow morning we'll be packaging up 150 meals to go. I don't know what Marcus is planning on cooking, but is the clam chowder bacon free? Yes, the clam chowder is bacon free, Cheryl. Hi everybody for watching. Robbie Morris is on, Jackie, Cheryl, lots of people watching me today, so thank you. I totally appreciate that. That is awesome. Join me every day for my 4 o'clock happy hour. It's super cool. I love doing them now. I'm getting really good at them, I think. At least people keep telling me that. And yeah, it is not New England clam chowder. It's not white, it's the red clam chowder. So bacon free, Cheryl. And you can get it in a quart. It's $14.99 in a quart to take home with you. And our sweet potato and black bean soup are $11.99. And those are both vegan. So those of you who are looking for vegan, delivering those meals is great, like Christmas Day. Yes, Sal. So we're not actually delivering them. The town comes and picks up those meals. And then they deliver them, but we're making the meals. So similar to Christmas Day, but a little bit easier. I don't have to do the coordination. They do that side of it. So that's cool. Let's see, what else do I want to share with you today? I've shared so much information. If you want to place an order, 647-3000. You want to check out our specials, aromatimebistro.com. Our Facebook page has a lot of information on it. And we are just super thankful and super grateful. So I appreciate it. Our phones, as you can hear, are going off the roof here right now. I have Marcus answering, Justin's answering, so I better get off this Facebook Live so I can help them out. And thank you again, everybody. Check me out tomorrow, 4 o'clock. Maybe I'll do a martini. Do you want to just see a gin martini, a vodka martini, a flavored martini? Let me know. Drop a comment. And tomorrow will be martini day, so just let me know what you want. Thumbs up. Thanks everybody for watching, and I totally appreciate it. And I hope everybody has a great night. Do a Zoom call with a family member to keep in touch. And hopefully I'll see some smiling faces soon. Talk to everybody later. Thanks again. Bye.